Trying to see if I can get into the pan. It's my curry chicken. We gonna season that up. Gonna season that up good. I want to ice up the camera a little bit. Welcome back, guys. Just setting up the camera. Bear with me. Bear with me. Just 2 seconds until I set up this camera. I thought I had it, but I didn't. I'm so not good when it comes to live, but I'm trying. Okay, that looks a little bit better, I guess. Yeah, this look better, right? Because at least we are city. Hello, Sister J. How are you? Just trying to set up the camera so you guys can see in my pan. I'm just trying to make some curry chicken. Okay, that looks good. Some sort. Sort of good. Okay. Alright, that's not bad. Finally get it to settle down a little bit. So I'm just making some curry chicken. And I'm gonna go ahead and season my chicken. First, I'm gonna use some turmeric. I have a curry chicken recipe already. I just want you guys to cook with me. So I'm not going to measure out any ingredients really, but I'm going to show you what I'm using. So I'm using some turmeric. And I have 5 chicken leg and thigh. In this pan right here. And I have my jeera. This pure 100 brown roasted cumin jeera. So I'm adding, don't want to add too much jeera, just like a teaspoon, because it can make your curry bitter. And here I have my biryani masala that I'll be using. Welcome everyone. Let me just season this pot and put it on and then we can talk, okay? So I'm adding my biryani masala. And now I'm going to go in with some garlic powder. And it's mixed with garlic salt. Some all-purpose seasoning. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Jamaican recipe queen is cooking some curry chicken. Some chicken seasoning. Cool runnings. Chicken seasoning. And I'm going in now with some meat seasoning. This one, Cool Runnings. I mostly use Cool Runnings season because they are good. I'm not promoting Cool Runnings. It is not paid promotion, but I just love their seasoning. I'm going in with my garlic pepper powder. What I am promoting though is my green seasoning, my homemade green seasoning, or my green marinade that I make. So this is homemade. And I put this in everything that I am cooking. Well, I mean like not cakes and stuff, but soups and stews. I'm using 3 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons of my green marinade. So I'm going to turn on the stove before I rub up this. Make the pot go on hot. And I'm going to put some oil in the pot. Can use any oil. Big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Curry chicken upon the menu today. Put the oil on the pot. Let me just put in the chicken and cover him down. And then you don't know, say, after that, I just boom, bam, boom, bang, boom. 1, 2. Okay? Not much oil. Just a little bit of oil. And you know, wonder where the curry come, man. The curry coming up. Curry is coming up. Who do we have in the building? I have 6 beautiful people here. I see Riverside Records. I use the Better Pack curry. Better pack curry. And I'm just going to put it, and I'm putting it into the oil. So I'm going to burn the curry in the oil. So in a run belly. You understand? Yeah. And you put like a tablespoon on your chicken. Yeah, just like that. Just like that. When you see the queen is in the kitchen. Here I have some pimento seed. Pimento seed. I'm going to beat these in a liquor mortar. I have a liquor mortar. I'm going to get at the dollar store. Very nice and convenient. See it here? I just going to beat my pepper seed. Well, pimento seed, not pepper seed. I have peppercorns on my mind. And my pimento seed going in the oil with the curry. And my pepper in the oil. I'm going to have some garlic. The pepper is optional. Scotch bonnet. I have like about 5 cloves of garlic. Just to go slightly beat them again. Slightly beat them up. Put them in the oil. Also. Beat them up in the oil. Beat it. I'm going to have 1 wooden spoon. I'm going to use for curry. So I'm going to look for it because it already curry up. Yeah, I'm finding it. First I'm a curry wooden spoon. See that? I'll spin up the curry. Don't want to burn too much. Even though I say to burn the curry in the oil, you don't want to burn too much. Now we are going to rub up this. I'm going to show you now how you look, wait. Yes, rub him up properly. Me should I do 2 white flour dumpling or some cornmeal dumpling with the curry instead of the rice, but can't be bothered to need any flour right now. Alright, and I saw that look? That look good, don't? Yeah, man, I saw curry for rich and look good. Remember, so we have curry over here, so I burn. So we're going to put in this now. And you see this? You catch water, rinse out that. You don't want none of that goodness there. So we're gonna make the we have some water, see? Water. But what we're gonna do, we are going to let me bring this up here so I can see not the pot. Yeah, not the pot that. We'll make this go and cook up little bit. Not too much, just to get in all of that curry color. Yeah. Just like that. Just like that. And I see that? Yeah, man. Queen is in the kitchen. Bring salt, we look up pan with the water. We'll get out all our good seasoning. Now waste the seasoning, man. Can't waste the seasoning. You want to add just enough water to cook your curry. So just a little bit above the chicken. I want the water a little bit above the chicken. You see that? That's looking good, man. Proud of it already. Could I? Welcome, guys. Thank you guys for stopping by. Cooking some curry chicken on white rice. So this are the curry chicken. We're gonna put on the white rice soon. Okay. So cause me I use one water to cook this. Me I add some more. One water me I use and cook this. One water. A chicken I take long to cook. Okay. So I'm gonna season this up now. Me I go season it up. And when I go put in there, I go cut up some carrot. So I do everything solo, no cutting board, really hard style. Me I do this, is it? Put some carrots. Yeah. Don't try this at home. Use a cutting board. You don't want to cut up your finger them. Use a cutting board and cut up your carrots. May I add 2 carrots. Carrot good for you. Be a good eyesight. Yeah. So what's up, people? What y'all doing? Just put in the vegetables and then we'll cover down the pot and then we can talk. What kind of story you want today? Huh? Delicious curry chicken. Nice and delicious, baby. Curry is one of my strongest point in cooking because I grew up in an Indian home. Most of you already know that if you're following me for a while. Make sure you wash all your something them, guys. You know I always emphasize on washing. So I have my first time. Everything nicely washed already. We have some bell pepper and some green onion. And I have an onion, but I'm not gonna add those as yet. That I feel later on. What I'm going to add is some Irish potatoes. So I'm just gonna peel my Irish potatoes. What do you think I should cook with this? The dumplings or the white rice? Well, I don't think I have any white rice. I have parboiled rice. So I might cook some rice and dumpling. Rice or dumpling. What y'all think? Me I not cook today, you know. So I was thinking also of adding some butter bean to the curry chicken. Have you guys ever eaten that? Or should I just add the um the Irish potatoes and leave it at that? Hey guys, the curry smell good, you know? Indian curry. Come put in the jeera and the masala, the cumin. Me have all meat and jeera. I wanna not even know those kind of things. All of the Indian families them were in the building. Or if you grew up around Indian, no. If you all know about methi and jeera. My curry paste finished, guys. That's why I didn't use any. But I'm gonna make back some soon. I'm gonna make back some curry paste soon. I have a video on how to make your curry paste. Just in case you wanna make that, you can check out that video. And remember to follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, and follow me on Facebook. So I'm just cutting up the Irish potatoes just in cubes, and I'm adding them straight to the pot. You want them to cook with the chicken, so then you can gonna mash out a little bit. And look how I flash up I'm flashing up my stove, my fridge. So you just wanna make them cook and kind of mash out a little bit in the gravy. The gravy a nice little thickness. As I'm saying, use a cutting board. Don't cut things in your hand and cut up yourself, and then I say, you see Jamaican recipe queen cutting it like this. This a really hard style. But that yard, when I have time to use a cutting board. True me I tell or lie me I tell. Look on my curry chicken. Why? Who beg now and get one, I beg no warrant. Nice and delicious, baby. Yeah. So what you wanna do now? I wanna spin that up. Spin that up. And I kind of take off some of the skin off of the chicken, most of the skin, because I not too like skin. Only I like skin when it fry crispy, like crispy fried chicken. I'm gonna add 2 bay leaves. Bay leaves. Some onion flakes. Bag of goodness. That's a bag of goodness. Goodness of God. Can't sing, but anywho. And see the little twist to it here? Who know what these are? Let me know if you know what these are. I'm gonna tell you soon, but let me know if you know what those are. I'm stuck in ads. Oh my. Please watch the ads. I'm sorry you're stuck in ads. But we're gonna be here because we're cooking some curry chicken. So I just added some capers. That's what I added. Give it a nice little buzz. Yeah. Buzzy wuzzy. Give it a nice. So the green season have a lot of herbs. So you don't really have to add any more herbs, but I'm gonna add some oregano. Please make my green seasoning. It's very good. Me use it on everything. Everything I use my green seasoning on. Give that a little spin again. Somebody said that in the ads, I miss everything. Oh my. But at least you'll there when they boat land. Not true. Go there when they boat land. Don't worry. Don't worry. Be happy. Look how that chicken, look on this and this not even start boil up. Man. Man, let me make you see that. Look on that. That not even start. This not start boil up yet, you know, guys. This not start boil up yet and it look like it cooking. Not even start boil. See that pot not even start boil. With just season. And this look like say it done cook. Look at that. My. When I grow up, I wanna be like me. I grew up, I wanna be like me. The Jamaican recipe queen. Good? Alright, so we're gonna put on the rice and then we're gonna sit down and talk till the pot done cook. Okay? We'll just shout out some big up and bless up All of them something that we're gonna go on with. I'm gonna get my pot cover to cover down my pot so chicken can cook properly. I just look for my pot cover. Okay. Find my pot cover. Even though my pot cover nice and clean, I always rinse off my pot cover then. Because I don't know which little bug or anything I crawl by. So I stay. When I nice, so I go on. Cover that down, yeah. Look on that. Delicious. Color of the curl looks really good. Yeah, and it just start boil up and not even start boil up good. I put up back my green seasoning because I tell you, can't make it spoil. Can't make it spoil at all. That's just a bag of goodness. Pal, so I make she hungry. You are killing me. I'll put this in there so can't make my green seasoning spoil. I'm gonna get a bottle of water too because I'm thirsty. Oh my, don't tell me so no. Oh, I was gonna say no water is not in my fridge, but I do find water. Thirsty. We have some green onion, some bell pepper for put in the pot, but we not put it in yet. We can't season the pot too early. We're gonna taste it. We might put a little bit more seasoning, like garlic powder and so. I don't use salt really, because the garlic salt and the garlic powder have a lot of sodium. So let's go put on the rice now. So let me go get the rice. Go get the rice. I had wanted to cook some flour dumpling, but Jaja, I can't eat no flour right now. Tired. Tired as a person. Rice now take long for wash and put on, so no bear with me. So you can get the chat, do like a shout out and big up and bless up and something. Just a measure out my rice. I don't know what I'm cooking now. Oh, just so I'm gonna do like 2 or 3 cups of rice. Yeah, that should be good. That should be good. I'm gonna do parboil. Go do some parboil rice. Now go wash it. Go wash the rice. Wash it like 2 or 3 times. Normally wash it 3 or 4 times, but it's not too dirty. Some rice dirty more than some. Just wash it until the water look nice and clear. Sometimes 2 wash not even do it nothing. You have to get like all 4 wash. Love when the rice water clear and nice. Me no know. No like see when you look dark, it just look away. Me know like most of the starch and stuff, but Jaja, I think I'm a germaphobe. So that's 2 times I wash the rice already. How much people we have in the building? Let me see. 10 beautiful people. Wow. Lovely. So that's me washing the rice the 3rd time. And the rice water still look grayish, so I'll go wash it another time. Okay. That's 4 times. See me I tell you sometimes I'm just washing and see. Oh, the water looks. Okay, that's looking good now. And my rice, well, not the white rice, I don't really do not much with it. Unless me I cook like flavored rice. But like for the white rice, I just basically put some butter. As me say, I no like put salt in or nothing. So the butter already having salt unless it's unsalted butter. And I'm not using unsalted. They can use margarine. So I'm just gonna add some salt, some butter, not salt, some butter. Or I can add olive oil. Can add olive oil, but my olive oil finish. So I'm gonna add some margarine. Actually, not butter, margarine. Some margarine. Close up my fridge door. 11 beautiful people. How are you guys doing today? I'm just putting on the rice over here, guys. I'll be back. You don't need to see me cooking rice. Everybody know how to cook rice. If you don't know how to cook rice, I have some rice recipe on my channel. You can check those out. But the basic of cooking rice is 2 cups of rice. So you do basically like a 2-to-1 ratio. 1 cup of rice, 2 cup of water. 2 cup of rice, 4 cup of water. Sometimes I can use 3.5 cup with 2 cup of rice. Depends on the rice what you're cooking. Jasmine rice take less water. Or stick your fork in the middle and see if it stand up. Oh my, that's a good one. All right, so the time you put on the rice. I'm gonna put back butter in the fridge now. We can sit down and till the curry chicken done. All right, I'm gonna look on the pot one last time. Spin up the pot and then, ooh, look on that. They can't chat to me. Who can chat to me? Can't chat to me. That look good. When I want to smell this, me nah lie. And I'm not exaggerating either. I love when my gravy nice and thick, so when the chicken cook, take off the pot cover. If you want the gravy to reduce. Look how that nice. Wanna see that? Let me see if I really see that. Wanna really see that? Look there. Wanna see this? And this just start. Could they? Yeah, man. I wanna season this up. You remember now we have a seasoning we put in this. We have a seasoning. Like with scallion, with onion, with bell peppers. Yada yada yada. Cover and down back. Okay, guys. So what I deal with now? Let me see who they here. Let me see who is here. So we have Pals, we have Mommy and Moya, we have J Prophet, we have KG79, we have Memsis, Yummy Cooking with Joy, Bless Up Yourself, we have Zendra, Home Style Cooking, we have Cadine Green. Cadine Green stuff you use butter bean. Okay. Okay, Cadine. Are you still here, Cadine? If everyone is still here that I'm calling out, just keep on commenting so I can know that you're here. We have Wasafat, Riverside Records, the Jamaican Canadian family. Curry looks nice. Thank you. Sister J Caribbean Cuisine. Chef Ricardo Cooking is in the building. Hey, Chef Ricardo. Food News TV. That's Chef Ricardo. We have Diamond Trophy, Apostle Edgar. If I miss anybody, just keep on commenting so I can see you. KG said, bless up. Yummy Cooking with Joy says, blessing. Guys, please join my membership. When you join my membership, you'll get highlighted texts, comments, and you get a sticker beside your name. You see our pals looking all nice and green in the chat. I have membership as low as $1.99. So at $1.99, $2.99, and $3.99. If you're a YouTuber, join my membership, and I give if you need watch hours, I help to give watch hours because I run your videos for you. I share your videos. I give you shout outs and stuff like that. But you have to join my membership. So I have one member in the house, which is Pal's Island Kitchen. If you don't have Pal's Island Kitchen, please go and subscribe to her channel. She has some amazing contents over there. And also I have my mentor. My mentor is in the building, which is Chef Ricardo Cooking. I have Roma's Kitchen in the building. If you don't have Chef Ricardo, he's my mentor. He's my friend. Even though he can be a pain sometime. Because him always a bother me and fast with me and mouth me. One time he said me make sweet pepper cake. And you know what? I did go ahead and make the sweet pepper cake. Tamara Jamaican Kitchen said good food. Cadine Green said yes. Hey, Cadine Green. Remember to link me up on Instagram. It's Jamaica underscore recipe queen. I am on TikTok as Jamaica underscore recipe underscore queen on TikTok. I don't have any videos up. I just joined TikTok. But please go over and look up for me and follow me because I'll be adding some stuff over there. My second channel is dhaleytv. I have like 5 videos. I'm trying to build that channel. I need 1,000 subscribers. Please go over there and subscribe to dhaleytv. That's my second channel. If you look on my main channel, on my featured channel, you'll see dhaleytv. So you can just click on it and just watch a video, leave a comment, and subscribe to that channel. I have some amazing content to put over there, but I don't want to waste my videos until I get the 1,000 subscribers so I can get the watch time on the videos. KG79 said, love your accent, queen. Thank you. Where are you from, KG? Chef Ricardo said, good job. Thank you, Chef Ricardo. Chef Ricardo, I'm a mentor, you know, guys. He's my inspiration. So I think he's like the first Jamaican chef that ever get 1 million subscribers. So I want to be the first Jamaican black female chef on YouTube to get 2 million subscribers. Nothing is impossible, guys, right? I'm from Toronto, Canada. KG79, I live in Brampton. I love Jamaican food. Oh, really? Maybe one day I can invite you over for some dinner. Link me up on Instagram, KG79, because I am living in Brampton. If you love Jamaican food, it would be a pleasure to cook you a meal. So if you're in Toronto, I'm in Brampton, so you can just link me up on Instagram, and I'll be delighted to prepare a nice meal for you. What's your favorite Jamaican? What? You're in Brampton? I thought you're in Jamaica. No, I'm not in Jamaica. I'm actually living in, I'm actually at Bramley, across from the mall, not too far from the mall. So if you want some good Jamaican food, KG, link me up. If you want any one of my seasoning, so you can make your own Jamaican food, like my jerk marinade, my jerk seasoning, my green seasoning, and my curry paste, you can also link me up because you're not too far. So let me spin up the pot before the pot burn up. If the pot ever burn up on live, what a piece of cake tonight. Me sit down there talk with you now, make the pot burn up on live. And not laugh after me, though. What a piece of something. Oh my, look at it. I wonder if I see curry chicken. Yo. Out for turn bounty killer. Yo. You see why I don't come live after him because, you guys get the crazy me. And I tell a lie. I don't think nobody can cook curry chicken like me. I mean, not even go add part of curry chicken in, because now I'm going to burn like a meaty and jira in the aisle. Coming out nice. Yes, J Profit. I burn all like a meaty and jira in the aisle and all that something there. But I have my curry paste, but I'm not on a curry paste right now. But I mix my curry paste. I use my curry paste. But I add like a curry leaf, like a cumin, like a fresh this, like a fresh that. But you don't know. I look easy, quick and easy, and still still look good, don't? Yeah, man. All right, cover him down back, cause he look like him a go on good. Sorry, I'm drinking water. If you hear that, that's disgusting. The bottle just to make the air nice. Tamara Jamaican kitchen. So really now. Oh, let me see what I missed. KG something I said, wow, Bramley City Center. Yes, I'm walking distance from the mall. So as I'm saying, I am Jamaican underscore Jamaican recipe queen, Jamaican underscore recipe queen on Instagram. Look me up, send me a message, and I can hook you up properly with some nice seasoning. And one day, who knows, we have 110 cases of COVID, so we're going down. We're going in full. We're going phase 3 of reopening on the 16th. So I'm pretty sure that one day down the line, I probably can cook you a nice meal when it's safe to do so. Okay, KG 79. And the curry smell up the whole entire house. I should have put on an ear tie because my ear go smell like curry. I got my Jamaican family here too, so I get my share of food. But the more the better. You can see my Jamaican family on YouTube channel. Oh, what's your family's name on YouTube? KG 79. I will find you on Instagram. Okay, please do. What's your family's name? Messi said, thought you were in JA2. No, I'm not. Eat Good TV said, big up from Eat Good TV. Big up yourself, Eat Good TV. Thank you for coming. Yes, the video is called Living Local in Jamaica. Okay, send me the when you find me on Instagram, copy the link of the channel and send it to me, okay? I'll go over and check out your family's channel. But as I said, the more the better, the happier the merrier. That's how the saying go, the happier the merrier. I don't even know. Okay, will do. Guys, the curry smell good as man. Oh my. Bernadette Leon's new subscriber sent by the Jamaican Canadian family. Oh, thank you so much, Jamaican Canadian family, and thank you so much, Bernadette, for coming. I appreciate each and every one of you. KG 79 said the more the merrier. Oh yeah. Thank you. You see, you even know more Jamaican what do they call them? Phrase more than I do. The more the merrier. Laugh out loud. Are you Canadian, KG? I know you probably you have a Jamaican background, but are you Canadian? Guys, I have super chat. I have super chat. If you want to super chat me, if you're feeling generous, you have to just hit that dollar sign that you see below. Hit that dollar sign and you can super chat me. You can send me a nice little token so I can buy some seasoning for my curry chicken. Or you can PayPal me. PayPal. I'll put the PayPal in the description. Let me put the PayPal in the description. So you can PayPal me, or As I'm saying, you can super chat me. Can send me an email and I'll give you guys the info right now. Let me just I'm gonna put it in the description. So I'm gonna put like my Instagram page, my TikTok, and I'm gonna put my PayPal. Oh, it's already in the description. So it's there. So my IG is there. My I don't know if my TikTok is there. Yes, my TikTok, my IG, and let me see if my PayPal is there. And my PayPal is there as well. So everything is in the description. So if you're feeling nice and generous, yes, I'm Canadian born and raised. My family is originally from India, but had some close friends since childhood that are Jamaican, so I am very familiar with the food and the speech and the music. Okay, okay. KG79. I have my rice ready. Need some of your curry. Okay, pal. May I cook some rice? So me go want some dumpling, but lad, the can't better gonna need no flour right now. Tired. Just I wait for the curry chicken cook. I may tell you, it smell good, so good. It's ridiculously amazing. The scent where I come from the pot, the kitchen, full of goodness, full of goodness. Mm-mm. So KG79, like you love Jamaican food, um, that mean I make a lot. Do you like Indian food as well? Because you said my family are originally from India. So I guess you like Indian. So I guess do you eat more Indian food, or you eat more Jamaican food, or you eat a mixture? Because like me, okay, so KG79, my mom is Indian as well, but Jamaican born Indian, just the way you're Canadian born. My mom is Jamaican born Indian. So I'm mixed. So that's why I love curry and roti and dal and all these things. And I have those on my channel as well. Gary and Sasha said, hello, hello, Gary and Sasha. Jamaican kitchen queen, you're not seasoning up the curry chicken and put on the rice. I'm waiting to see how it look. No, I put on the rice already. I put on the rice already. I just the rest of the seasoning left to go in the pot. And I was waiting until the pot go down a little bit. I was waiting until the pot go down a little bit, guys, before I actually add the bell peppers and stuff. So I have bell pepper and I have one onion. The onion freeze. Guys, me freeze my onion, but don't worry about that. You'll get the flavor from it. So I have one frozen onion now, guys. Don't laugh after me. See it there? I'm an onion, but you freeze. They're kind of soft, but you'll get the flavor. Coming out, make nothing weird. So as soon as them start, look like them are gonna go bad. I just freeze them up. So that's my onion. And I'm gonna put in some green onion, or you can use scallion. And as I say, cut them on cutting board. Don't cut them in your hand. And cut up your finger. And it's a Jamaican recipe queen till I cut up your finger. Alright? Okay? Okay? So now I am going to add the the bell peppers. So I'm adding some orange bell pepper. And I'm gonna add some green and some red. Remember again, cut it on a cutting board and don't tell no lie promise. I'm tell you cut it in your arm. This is the real yard style. If you're a yardie, you will understand. Just cut it up, cut it up. And so look, that look good? Okay. Think of chattings. Live and direct, me I give it to you. No editing. So no say. The real deal. One day I'm gonna make some roti and some curry goat. Who want to see the curry goat roti live? That take a long time though. Cause the roti take a little while to make. We probably have to need the flour and everything and put it set before me start roll them out. Before me come on the live. You see how vibrant and colorful the curry and everything is looking. Then I'm adding all of these nice colors. Your pot for colorful. Your pot to look like something we want to eat. Your eye to be pleased before your belly. So the rice look like it's on its way as well. Whoa, boy. Don't you wish you were in my kitchen today? Spin up that now. Could I? Look how this look good. Man. Man, it look good. And I didn't taste it yet, so I'm gonna taste it now. The Irish them cook. See it there? The Irish them cook. Let me show you. Irish them nice and soft already. See that? Yeah. So let me spin this up and taste the pot and see me get another spoon to taste the pot. Cause when the gravy nice, everything nice. I don't know if you want any salt, but I'm gonna use salt. Alright, so it kinda tastes like you want salt, but as I told you guys before, I don't like using salt. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add a little more of my garlic salt. That's the garlic salt. And I'm gonna add one little bit of the meat seasoning. This is called topping up your pot. Yeah. And spin up that now and allow that to go down like a gravy jar down there. It's supposed to be good. Oops. So may I have something that fly out of my pot. Just clean up that, clean up that, clean up. You have to clean up as you go. Cause the curry stain. Okay. Hey, Jamaican vibes. So I cook some curry chicken here, girl, and I come for some. Look there. Gravy I get thick and nice today. Look at the gravy rich, look at the curry nice. Look there. Nice and delicious, baby. Someone just want this to go down now. So you know I'm gonna leave the pot up in now. Remember me to tell you this. So I know I'm a gravy feel nice. I leave the pot up in. See it there? Let me taste the gravy again on the spoon and I wash it off. So taste that. Pot a bubbly now, man. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I eat that in a one nothing. The only thing you want is to go down now. That's the only thing you want to go down. Gravy to go down. That's all. Too much salt is not good. It kills the flavor. Take time with it. Yeah, I don't use salt. I don't use salt, sweetheart, because the seasoning that I use already have sodium, so I do not use salt. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay, my wonderful people. You can't too take care of a pot right now, because it's on the gravy I go down. You have to kind of keep on and stir it up because I don't want if it you know want if it stick up in your pot bottom. But we have one of gravy, see there? One of gravy still need to go down a little bit or a lot more. But I love how it look already, man. Could man? Look there. See there? Gravy thick and nice already. Quite rich. See that rich goodness? I suck. I suck curry if you look. Delicious and nice. Pata bubble though. Okay, let me see what I say now. Why you are share with the curry? I some white rice, me have some parboiled rice I'm cooking, Tiona. Rich and delicious looking, says J Prophet. Yes, Tamara, Jamaican Kitchen. I totally agree. I don't like to use salt, sis. Because as I'm saying, most of the seasoning them that I use, they have sodium in them. So why you're gonna need salt? So before I add more salt, I just add a little bit more of my garlic powder or my onion salt or garlic salt. Jamaican vibes say okay. Yes. Tiana, somebody today yesterday somebody commented on my video, one of my strong back video, and said, you see you and Tiana on no not easy. Oh my gosh, Tiana. Them say you see you and Tiana on no not easy with the strong back them. And curry chicken so long. Let's see how much minutes to leave on the rice. I'm just doing the rice in my rice cooker. So I actually have 32 minutes on the rice. I had put it on 60 minutes because it's whole grain. If it was white rice, it goes on 45 in the rice cooker. Yes, girl, there's Tiona them. Somebody comment on my video and said, yes, Jamaican recipe queen, you see you and Tiona. So you and Tiona no easy, you know. Lad, but not tell no lie. Them strong back juice is real though. Them real. And the girl Tiona have some nice one over there as well. Yes. I don't know who she over there strong up, you know. Well, she have a nice big son over there, so. Me and Tiona and myself, we did a collaboration. We made a sweet potato pudding. You can check out that video. Check out my version, and you can go over Tiona and check out her version of the sweet potato pudding. We'll do our next collaboration again, Tiona, but this time in person because the place them are open up now. So we can link up. Is it that I'm gonna come by you one day or you come by me? And we can do one of them strong back there, yeah, man. Me I go do one strong back. Jamaican vibes, me I go do one strong back collaboration. Jamaican vibes say we have to what we can. Exactly. Tamara said, I Tiona. Bernadette Lyons said curry chicken look delicious. Yes, it's actually coming along. And as I'm saying, you wanna keep stirring it because at this point the gravy get thick and you don't want it to start stick to the pot and burn. Do this in a one nice dirty pot or do it in a one non-stick pot. So nothing not stick up and burn up. Okay, see there? Nothing not stick, nothing not burn. Look, pot nice. See there? Nice. Chicken well cooked, soft and delicious. Me take one fork and show you. Nice and delicious, baby. See this? Nice and delicious, baby. Wow. See there? Cooked nicely. Get a nice cook on the chicken. See that? No pink and no run and no bloody water in the bone. I will still a cook. Because you want gravy to go down some more. But as I say, keep on spinning. I love my gravy nice and thick. And you can see, it's thick already. Look. See that? Rich curry. This is a tip. Burn your curry. Burn your curry in the oil. And when I say burn your curry, me no mean to make your curry burn and bitter. Put on some oil, throw your curry in there, spin it around for a little bit a second. Not even, I don't think you need more than a minute. Or spinning around your curry and medium heat. Make your curry get a nice color because when I burn it, the color change. Just in case you never know. The color change. Me I go I work soon, but no still watching. Okay, Tiana, yeah, me know you're dep on your little night shift now, man. That's okay, that's cool. So soon done, see there? You have some pumpkin you can put pumpkin in this and make some good chicken curry pumpkin takari. I want to know. You make me have to just go full Indian pounder today, with some roti and some split peas. Hey, Chef Andre, blessings, blessings. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. So my love oil pata come on still. Soon done cook, Soon done cook. We have Chef Andre in the building. Chef Andre, so Jamaican vibes and pals. Hi. Crystal Sebron said, what a coincidence, a curry chicken, Shane, a cook. So why this girl deleted something? Crystal, can you know what me come over here for so make we swap because I know so when me cook, me not enjoy the food like when somebody else cook. Okay, what a coincidence, a curry chicken, Shane, a cook. Really? When I cook with the dumpling and rice. Tamara said Sammy Queen and Tiona will be on a competition. No, 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 no. No. We ain't doing no competition, darling. We're collaborating, not a competition. We don't compete with each other. We collaborate. KG said, live cooking is making me hungry. KG, you're not too far, you're in Toronto, so you can just drive by here and I can give you a curbside pickup. Paul said, hey, Chef Andre. Tamara said, to see how far we can go on YouTube. I don't know. I don't compete. I'll collaborate, but I won't compete. I don't do competitions. Chef Andre said, thanks, Jamaican vibes. Crystal said, boil food. Dumpling, but I want to the dumpling because I didn't want the dumpling, but I'm so tired. I can't bother need no flour. Pal said, hello vibes. Jill in the kitchen said, hurry up, me hungry. Jamaican vibes said, no, Tamara, no. Exactly. We don't compete, sweetheart. We collaborate. Chef Andre said, food look good. What you cooking with it? Just some rice, Crystal. Curbside pickup. I'm so down. Food News TV said, okay, chef. That's Chef Ricardo. Chef Ricardo is in the building. Chef Ricardo, cooking is my mentor. That's his other channel, Food News TV. And he also have another channel called Healthy Side. So if you didn't know that Food News TV is Chef Ricardo, it's Chef Ricardo Cooking. So go over and join Food News TV or his other channel that, what your other channel name again? I just said it, Healthy. I'm getting old. Oh my gosh. But anywho, Food News Jamaican, Chef Andrew said, hi Joel. We're gonna have to get you back with some Indian dishes still. Oh, well, nice one, Chef, said Chef Ricardo. My good panic Indian food, them too, so be careful. Healthy side, yes. Healthy side, Food News TV is Chef Ricardo. I want cake with cream cheese. I was saying, Crystal, girl, you know, say from a day you talk about you want the cake with the cream cheese. That's my cousin, guys. Crystal is my cousin. Okay, so I'm going to turn off the pot now because the pot land. The gravy can't get no thicker than this. Now listen, I got my gravy eat the rice. So we turn off the pot. See there? It land. Walk it out. Yeah. The pot land. Say the pot land. 20 pound of curry and say the pot land. The pot land. Gravy thick and nice. Cook up some curry and they wonder where me get it from. Look at that, baby. So I just the rice where I wait for now. You see that? So if you like my curry chicken recipe, I have another curry chicken recipe on my channel. You can check out that one as well. I have curry chicken roti, I have curry goat roti, I have dal, I have rice, I have peas. Lord, me have everything for you. Me have oxtail, me have cake, me have cream cheese cake. My cousin Crystal Sibrana asked for. Paul say hello, Chef Ricardo. Delicious. Joe said at Chef Ricardo. Hello, Chef Ricardo, now come over here, come take over my live. Oh. What time in England? Go on your bed, Chef Ricardo. Chef Ricardo, go on your bed. You have work tomorrow morning. I joke me I make. Chef Ricardo, I'm a boss, I'm a general. He's my mentor. Food News TV said at Pulse Island Kitchen. You see, my curry done. But I left it on the fire, make it go and keep it warm, but I turn off the stove. You know the stove's still hot. Oh my man, look at that. Wow. Don't you wish you were in my kitchen? So that is the end of the curry chicken. I don't think you wanna stick around and watch me cook the rice and the white rice. But if you don't want to me share it out and eat some, wanna think, let me know. Should we wait? Should we wait? Okay, I can cover up but my pot now because my pot done cook. I don't want to see the nice chicken. I'm not gonna see the nice chicken. Now cover up the pot. Wanna go and eat to the eyes. The rice have 11 minutes on it, so we can share out some of the curd chicken pan the rice and make us see how that look delicious. Food look nice. Thanks, Chef Ricardo. Food news, the laugh out on. Red Hat's the pot done cook. Red Hat, what you did there for a night. Look at most I get none of the curry chicken. Some good curry chicken and white rice. Look at most you get none, Red Hat. Where were you? Hmm? Food News TV say at Red Hat. Hey, Red Hat. Chef Ricardo, I hear you up. You're large, you know, Red Hat. You're a celebrity under the quiet. You're Sheppy. Where is Sheppy tonight? I didn't see Sheppy. I didn't see Sheppy tonight. Where is Sheppy? Sheppy miss the curry chicken. Lad. You see all the pepper over there, so look red something where you say over there, so the pepper and the pepper mash out in a pot. So you know, say pot go on that bag of things. If you don't like pepper, you don't like spicy. Red Hat say for real, I'm here comforting Obi. Una have Obi a bat. Red Hat, make sure say you blend up some of them, blend up there when me put on the channel for Red Hat this week, for Obi this week. Me put up, we put up two strong back punch. Make sure say yeah, take care of Obi and yeah, blend up some of them something there for Obi. If you not see me strong back punch. Oh my God, just got 10 pounds from Chef Ricardo. Oh my God, thank you so much, Chef Ricardo. And then something to me I talk about. And then people I want to. I was kidding, guys. I appreciate all of y'all. But thank you, Chef Ricardo, for that 10,000 pound. You know, I'm gonna buy one box of chicken with a 10,000 pound. The car pound strong, you know. That's probably like 20. That's probably like 20 Canadian. That $10 is probably like 20 Canadian, so double. So you can buy me, you can buy me two bag of leg quarters. Paul said it's $21. Yes, see that? $21. Thank you so much. Well, one big $21 me get. I first never get $21 per one super chat. Oh, I must be special. All right, curry chicken you like. Which one? Food News TV say at Jill in the kitchen. More blessings, chef. Paul said more blessings, chef. Thank you. It look like the curry chicken here must be well good. I'm gonna get well a $21. Who can beat Chef Ricardo? Who can beat Chef Ricardo? Let me know. Who can beat Chef Ricardo? Oh, and give me 40. For the TV should laugh out loud. Lord God. Anybody want me generous and beat Chef Ricardo and give me 40? Or anybody want make up on the 210? 220? Sorry. Which school me go? Paul said Paul I dead with love. Let's start the bidding. Anybody wanna make up on the 220 and double up that $21? Come $42. Come on. Going once, going twice. And remember to join the membership, guys. You know, I have cheap membership, $1.99. Paul said $2. I have cheap membership. Your girl Lala, hello. Welcome to Curry Chicken Don't Cook. Yes, we need help to support one another. Of course, Chef Ricardo, thank you so much. That's what we're here for. Hello, everyone in the chat. Lala, big up everybody in the chat. Lala, good evening. I just made some curry chicken. Food News TV say at Yummy Cooking with Joy. Hi. So if you don't congratulate Chef Ricardo as yet, if you don't know, most of you know, most of you don't know. If you don't know, him reaching 1 million. The man reach 1 million subscriber. The man thing gone to another level. 1 million subscriber. Jamaican chef in England on YouTube reach 1 million subscribers. You see that, guys? Don't stop pushing. You don't know when you're going to reach the million. Food News TV, I big you up. Your girl Lala. Your girl Lala say, respect Chef Ricardo. Yummy Cooking with Joy. I said, bless up Food News TV. Yes, I'm just make some curry chicken and me I wait on the rice. Food News TV say at Red Hat, thanks. Pala bless you up, Lala. Your girl Lala Pal is blessing you up. Jamaican Vibe said the rice done now. She'll share it out before me go to work. The rice not done. It have 5 minutes, Spanny. 5 minutes more. 5 little tiny minutes more. I'm going to take out the plate. 5 tiny minutes. Okay, let me take down the plate. So, all I'm asking a question. A fancy sharing me go do? Or me just go share out something? No, fancy sharing, you know. We don't know. So, me can share out the food now, cause the rice 4 minutes. Alright, let me take down your plate. Curry look good, chef. Thank you. Thank you so much. Me know my food look good, and I make you come give me $21. Think me no know? You think me never know? Can buy one box of chicken back tomorrow. That can serve me for a week. If me did hungry, Chef Ricardo just stop me gap. $21 can actually feed someone for, what I say, at least 2 days. So that's 2 days worth of food. So you wanna stay there. Probably I'll 3 days worth of food if you got Dollarama. Go take up one bag of bread. And two spam, one baked bean. What Sunday? Not Sunday. I go on like say. Uno. No know when me attack out. Alright, now go carry on the camera now. I will share out some of the food there. Cause the rice look like it's soon done. Man, the food look good there. Nah, tell a lie. When I think me for the fancy sharing, I wanna just want me dash in some curry chicken in my plate and I don't know what me fi put the rice in a cup and share it out in a glass. You know them fancy sharing me. Tiona boy, she hungry. Me spin up the chicken. Man, it look goody. Alright, I'm gonna share with the rice. I want each 2 minutes on the rice. You can't even wait till the rice cook, Jaja. Alright, me take out the rice. 2 minutes now and do it nothing. 2 minutes now and do it no arm. Rice kind of shelly, cause a parboiled rice. Me don't know if that go stick in a cup, but let's try. If it break down, we just make it turn down. We press it down with a spoon. See if it can stay in. Normally when we cook a parboiled rice, so shelly, you know, come out properly in the when I try to take it out. I wet the cup, yes, I wet the cup. Those of who are tell me if you wet the glass so it can come out easy, I did wet it. I just wet it. You know them little trick that you can't trick me. Okay, let me bring around the camera. Here, the rice just land. Okay, I'm gonna fix up this now. Put it on the food. The food. It's something that I want to stay one place, and put it on one towel. And let it stay there. Alright, when I see that? When I see plate? Yeah. When I see plate good? Okay. Alright, that good? Okay. I see rice here. I put it in the something. I'm a wetty, so make sure say turn out properly. I did wet it. I'm gonna put the little stew chicken pan now. The little curry chicken. I'm talk about stew chicken. Man, the curry look good enough. You not tell no lie. Jaja. Really, really look good. And because I'm in cookie. The gravy thick and nice. Delicious, baby. So we're gonna just put some down here so. Upon that goodness. Why? And I see that. And the pepper. See pepper here? Nice big pepper go right on top of this. So look at gravy. The gravy thick and nice. Put little gravy there so. Put little gravy there so. That's little gravy around there so if you go rest on the rice. See it there? Whoa, look how that look good. You see that? Or no see that? Which one? You see that or you not see that? I just can't catch this right here, so don't. Put that right there, so. Lovely and delicious, baby. Don't you wish you were in my kitchen right now? You know what a nice fun this, guys? Some avocado. Man, if me did ever have avocado, Chef Ricardo, Send over to your avocado. Come on, you have avocado in your kitchen. You put two nice stone plum tomatoes. We just give it some bright, nice red color. We put one up there so, and one there so. Yeah, and just make the colors them look nice. Put one right there so. Could cut one more. And put one right there so. Yeah, that look alright. Now waste this. Could find somewhere put him. Or if I put him there so, it's okay. Can't put him there. Alright. Piece of avocado and that the thing they turn up. Like we see if the rice can come out now. If the rice drop down, I don't laugh. Because it's surely bad. Alright. Jaja. Push down that. Pepper tastes good. Clean up this so. After a napkin, you clean up that. Lovely. And you have dry parsley. You just tip up on your rice top like so. Just to garnish, you can sprinkle some on your plate to garnish your plate. You can sprinkle some on your curry chicken, nothing wrong. Some on your veggie. Wow. That me a talk about. I don't know hear what me a say. Tell me if that no look good. Wanna talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Cause you know see me I do the thing live and direct, And me I wanna cook this year. We did a good job today. I'm not gonna lie. See rice I drop down. Me tell you, me know sit I drop down. A real chef know what is gonna happen. Because it's very, very shelly. And it's brown rice, so it's not sticky. But anyway, wanna see the whole moral of the story. Okay? Look at that. Look at that goodness. See that? Okay. All right, guys. I'm gonna leave you now. I'm gonna eat. Actually, it's 9:49. I probably just put this up for my dinner for my lunch tomorrow. But do enjoy this video if you're just coming in. If you can rewatch it. Have a good night. Thank you for staying with me. Hope you enjoy this curry chicken and rice recipe. Try this out at home. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.